What is going on, my brothers? We're going carp hunting tonight. It's a warm night. It's supposed to come in a little bit of rain this evening, or I should say like later tonight. It already is this evening. It's about 30 minutes before dark and I'm pumped up, ready to go. We seen some rolling today. One of my buddies did. Seen some rolling while he's on the job and called me and gave me the intel. So me and him's gonna go try to bust them up, see what we can get into. But y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get into something. I believe it. We got the old carp killer hooked up back there. We're gonna go get him. What? Just keep watching right there. There'll be another one in there, I'm sure.
He's way out there. He's still right there. He's toying with you. Right at the edge of the light. Watch out.
Oh, yeah, go ahead. Oh, I think you got him. You got him, dude.
Oh.
You got him. Good shot. If you'd have shot him anywhere else, he would have ran. We'd have never got him.
Bye-bye, Aaron.
Dang it.
Yeah.
Oh. Let's go. Good shot, dude.
Hang on.
Yeah, hold that up. I'll take your picture. Yeah, here you go.
Dude, I'm pretty sure that's my first one. It is my first one.
He's right in front of that bush. No. Go ahead. Oh, God, he was close.
Got him.
See, I almost shot over him, too. Ah, it's a good one. Good shot. Good shot, man.
Now let's tuck through the fish.
Yeah, yeah. There you go. That one I seen wiggling in them bushes a minute ago. There you go. I didn't see him till we run him over, man. That was a big one too.
Still ain't as big as that one we like. That old Moby Dick got away.
Man, that sucks. I missed. There's one laying right here. There we go. There's another one. Ah! Whenever you're ready, there's one right here. No! Right here in front, Blake. Did you shoot at one? Dang it. Right there he is. See him? Oh, you got him. Dang, son. There's another. I missed. Heck yeah, girl. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, come on out of there. Never did see him. Did you shoot at one? Did you get him? Oh yeah. My boy Blake ain't missing. He ain't missing much.
Nice.
Hold on, yeah.
Right, you ready?
Hold on. We're gonna both shoot at that one. If he leaves, shoot him. All right.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. So you got him. You got it. Oh, come off.
No.
Okay, go. Gosh, dude, you are the shot.
That ain't fish.
No.
That'd be if it was.
No, it's not the same one. That one on the right's the biggest one. Good shot. And I missed. Yeah. Goodness gracious, what a mess.
Ugh, got my fingers stuck.
I don't know what's going on here. Oh Lord. I see the dust, I don't see the fish. There's one right there. Do it. Oh man. I missed too. Nice, man. Good shot. Ooh, it's right on the top. God, come this way. Yeah, right as we're getting stuck.
I don't see it no more.
Now he's in that dang bush.
Come on out of here. Come on out of there.
Gosh almighty.
Come on out of there. Show me that back again. Little bastard.
You shoot him. Shoot him.
Oh, I missed him.
God almighty, don't get off. No! He come off.
Hang on. Let's see him. Oh no, I don't see him no more.
Dang, man. Get him. Dang.
He's still out there, you see him?
Yeah. That was another big one. Dang, there's some big old fish.
Why am I missing all this?
Same reason I am.
I ain't doing nothing no different.
I should have brought my dang big fish arrows. Right here. It's okay. Right here. Lower. Oh, you got him. Right in the head. That ain't getting off.
Yep.
Good shot. Oh, it's two fish.
Hang on, wait.
You better hurry.
No, you got one.
It's a wonder. Ooh, there's a big one. And he come off. There's one right here. Right here.
Where?
Right here. Right there. That's a stick. Must be my bad. There's one.
Look at the stick, Mr. Carp.
Man. Dang him, son, what a fish. God, look at this one right here, son. That's all you. Dang it. He's under the boat. He's under the boat. Let him come off. What's wrong? Oh, nice. Hold on, easy, easy, easy. Hold on, hold on. Oh, you got him. That's a nice one. Good job. Yeah, I would have been pissed.
What kind of bag is that here?
If you want to, good luck. If you want to. There's one, if you get ready, there's one right here. See it? Kill him. Oh man, that's a heck of a shot.
Come back out there.
Better get him out of there. Hope this ain't deeper than it appears. Oof.
Is it cold?
Yeah. Oh. If you see an anaconda, holler.
I'll squeal real loud. I see the arrow. It's run back down in. Oh, the fish is off of it.
Yeah.
Well,
It do be like that sometimes.
here I had a high hope.
Nice.
I barely got this in the thing. And I got it.
Whew. Ah. Dang it. Yeah, it's him. Oh!
I got it. I got it. Shit.
It's a good one too. Yes, sir.
Oh shit.
Ah!
Don't fall in the bush.
Let's go. That's a dandy. Hey guys, so we finished up the night. We done a lot better than we anticipated. We knew that we was gonna find some fish, but we didn't expect to find the quality and the quantity of what we found tonight. You know, we seen some fish that were in the 12-pound range, which is good for this lake. We ended up with 22 for the night. Had 4 or 5 get off, and of course all the ones that did get off were big fish. I mean, super commons. But you know, when the boat ends up looking like this, you know you've had a pretty good night. But I got the fish loaded up in the back of the truck. Gonna go use them for fertilizer, I suppose, bury them. But it was a good night overall. Shout out to my boy Blake for tagging along with me. We had a dang good time. The only thing bad that happened tonight is I slipped and fell and possibly broke my oneida bow, which hurts me deeply. But anyway, guys, I appreciate y'all tagging along. Drop a like, subscribe if you want to. Hope you guys have a blessed day and a blessed night. God bless.